So in this video, I want to talk about this gift that my husband got me for this past Christmas, and I want to share it with you because I think it's a great idea. He bought these on Amazon, and the links are below. So these are magnetic bookmarks, and they are made of a really nice leather. They are thick, and they have stitching on them, and they are engraved with different scripture verses. And so this one I'm showing you is from Psalms, "Be still and know that I am God." The other thing that I really like about it is the magnetic part because it keeps it from falling out. It's a really good clamp there, and that's really nice. The other thing is that you can insert your pen or pencil in this elastic holder on the side. So as someone who loves to journal and underline things, it's always there at my fingertips, and it was just such a great idea. Really appreciate this gift. Thank you, sweetie. And hopefully you found this helpful. So check out the links below, and happy shopping.